Hey guys, it's Kim Gamer 9323. I'm playing Build a Boat for Treasure. And the last time I played it, I did not have voice. Well, I don't know, because that was a very long time ago. Like when it was summer. So I don't know right now. I can't just cut off my laptop. I have the skinny one, not the fat one, because the fat cat's teeth. Let's see now what I'm doing. What am I doing? I'm supposed to be building. But I've got some, I played this, I don't know how long ago. Here's my old boat. These are my old boats. This is very terrible. Okay, let me see this. Where is it? I built a heart-shaped boat a long time ago. I don't know why, but I did. Okay, now let me see this boat. I think I have one here. Where's the boat? I don't have a boat on scene. I bought it for no reason. Can I buy D? Okay, I did it. Okay, I don't think I got it. Okay. I have no idea what to build. So, I don't know what to build at all. 99 of these. I know what I'm gonna build. The heart. I'm not building a heart. Because I don't know what I'm doing. There we go. Here's a boat. No. Here's a boat. If I build this as my boat, I just put anything else in front of it. That's one of the tricks I do. It's not a little trick. Why is there TNT? How is he over here? This? Wait, that killed you. How did he get over here? No idea how he got over there. Okay. Not change team is one. This. No. Doing B. Yes. My heart. And I'm just gonna have this. I think he might think it means I love him, but I don't. No, I don't want anyone to join my team. I'm trying to be alone for this. I don't know why I built this part. I don't know. It's very strange that I did this. Fix that. There. I don't know why. It still takes me a little bit, so I'll have to be right back. I used everything. I did. And yeah, I'm back. Everything. Let's go. Yes. Oh, jeez. I broke it. It's too much stuff. I can't move my thing. It's too much stuff. Okay, this is dangerous up here. Okay, I just can't sit up there. I got this little big hole. Oh! So. Okay, this is a terrible. I'll see how far I can make it. I have this in my mouth. Okay, I think it's broken. Okay, yeah, I think I broke it. It's not moving. So, bye guys.